Hello, everyone. I am Tim Roberts. I am the CEO and founder of Tiptags. Tiptags is a patented map-based messaging system that allows users to create, preserve, and share any kind of data on any kind of map with down-to-the-doorway accuracy. But before I go any further, I'd like you all to imagine having a company where all of your employees quit every year. Well, now you're in the trucking industry. 94% of your drivers are going to quit this year, and they're going to take all the information that they learned when they were working with them when they leave. It's a big part of a $5 billion problem in this industry, and there are similar problems in home health and the gig economy. We're working on this in the waste management industry, working with GreenQ, a sensor and AI-based system, optimizing the operations of garbage trucks, collecting data from drivers and customers. Or think about being a leader, having to plan for a catastrophe. You need information before, during, and after a catastrophe, and often this information is difficult, if not impossible, to get. We're working on this problem with Harvard researchers, creating a collaborative disaster planning system for NATO. I just got back from Ukraine a couple of weeks ago where I presented this system, working on the disaster of a Russian invasion. It went very well. We're moving on to the next steps with this system. So what is Tiptags? Tiptags allows you to collect this information that's often lost or not available at all. We create an atlas of known risks. We allow you to manage disasters in real time, and we're a human interface for autonomous systems such as drones. We have validation systems to make sure that all of this information that goes on the map is true and reliable. Here's an example of 4 different kinds of information left on one property in Osaka, Japan. So users can create information anywhere in the world, it's saved in the cloud, and then it's available to all stakeholders, even if that stakeholder happens to be a robot. So we're a lightweight system that works with mapping systems, with management systems, and allows them to work better together and create a new kind of data. So we're similar to Waze. You can think of it like Waze. Waze is for getting around town. We're any kind of data on any kind of map for any purpose, creating a private atlas of operations. So think about market opportunity, field service management systems, transportation management systems. There's going to be $10 billion a year spent on these systems. We affect tens of millions of employees around the world, and this is just one segment that we can affect. Our team has worked with some of the most innovative companies in the world. We also have about a dozen exits between all of us. The person with the most exits is my co-founder and CTO, Greg Parker. He's founded 5 companies and had 5 exits. We have 2 patents on the system. We have a demo in the App Store. We have 4 projects that we're working on. And since we came to Plug and Play, we've had a lot of interest from the insurance industry, and we have projects in the pipeline with that as well. Our financial roadmap, the gold bar is integrations like GreenQ. The blue bar is standalone systems like NATO. And then we're going to build downloadable products for small and medium-sized businesses. We're raising $800,000 right now to help us make the most of these opportunities. I look forward to talking to you after the presentations. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much, Tim. Coming up next, we have Dee from Sourcero.